an HNC in health, fitness and exercise. Came into second year for the honours degree for sport and exercise science. I did attend an open day, but briefly as well. We went over with one of our lecturers. There was about 5 or 6 of us, and we had a day in the sports labs, so I had an introduction that way also. I would probably try and get to know the other students as well, because they can answer your questions really quickly. College, you could go on cruise control a bit more, to be honest, and still get a great mark. You couldn't do that at uni. I certainly couldn't. I had to put the hours in. It's okay, because when you read the first journal, you think, I have no idea what this person is talking about, seriously. But you get into the flow of the language. You start looking at papers and reading them in about 3 minutes, because you can go straight to the stuff that matters. That's what you're at uni for. That's what you're learning. You're learning how to dissect these texts and how to, critical thinking. I really wish that I'd taken advantage of some of the social clubs and that side of things. Ironically, if you're shy and sit at the back and you want to ask a question, you have to shout in front of everybody. But if you're at the front, you don't have to, stand out quite as much. So working as a student ambassador was great, because obviously, as I said, they were sympathetic to my studies as well, but I had to be careful as well, because at one point in 4th year, I was taking on so much work that you can almost correlate the work that you're doing with your grades. You can see that gradual decline the more that your work increases. If you put the work in, if you put the hours in, you will come away with an excellent degree at the end of it. It's as simple as that. It's not about being really clever, it's about working hard. We did do quite a lot of physiological testing in the labs, and let's just say a lot of them weren't as fast as me. So it's life-changing at any age, whether you're a mature student or you've just left school, and it does change your perspective on everything as well. I think I can't, if you put everything into it, I can't imagine anyone leaving university and not having, grown to some extent, whether it's intellectually or whether it's just more confidence or what have you. There's so many positives. I strongly believe that everyone should go to university. I think it's a fantastic thing.